In today's video, you will learn how to make the most tastiest, delicious cinnamon rolls from scratch. Cinnamon rolls actually originate from Sweden and are known in Swedish as kanelbullar. They're celebrated every October 4th, which is also known as National Cinnamon Roll Day. They're rolls of soft, sweet dough with a cinnamon and sugar filling in the middle. Whether you eat them with icing or not, they're still amazing. To bake your cinnamon rolls, you will need the following ingredients. To make our dough, you will need a large mixing bowl, a half cup of warm water, a quarter cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoon of active yeast, 2 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a quarter cup of sugar, and 1 egg. For the filling, you will need a 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of softened butter. Finally, to make our glaze, you will need a half cup of powdered sugar, a quarter cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. The first step is to make the dough. Add your water and milk to a bowl along with your yeast. Make sure to whisk this well for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, in our bowl, we're going to slowly whisk in our flour and salt. Don't add in all the flour at once. Continue mixing until your mixture begins to clump together. Next, add in your melted butter. As you saw earlier, mine began to solidify a bit. After adding in your butter, go ahead and pour in your sugar and your beaten egg. Once the dough begins to form, go ahead and switch to using a wooden spatula or spoon to continue mixing. Once the dough comes together, remove it from the bowl and knead it on a floured surface for about 8 minutes. If you need to add in any extra flour, go ahead and do so. Place your dough in a sprayed bowl and cover it to let it rise for an hour. Fair warning, this is not a quick recipe. Now, you'll need to roll out your dough with a rolling pin until about a 1/4 inch thick.
And now we're ready to start making our filling. In a bowl, combine your brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Baste your dough with softened butter. Then you can sprinkle on your cinnamon sugar mix. It may be easier to melt the butter, then brush it onto the dough. Once you're finished, roll your dough tightly. Then you're going to cut your rolled dough into individual rolls. I used some dental floss, but you can use any type of kitchen thread or any other type of device that you like. Once you've cut them, place them into your sprayed baking pan. This can be a very tedious process, but I promise you it will all be worth it. Make sure you cover these and let them rest for another hour. These are how they should look. Now, after the hour has passed, we can go ahead and preheat our oven. We want to set it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now go ahead and pop them in, and we will bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. And here they are finished. And now we can make the glaze. To do that, we're going to combine our powdered sugar, melted butter, vanilla extract, milk, and we're just going to whisk that together. Go ahead and drizzle the glaze over the cinnamon rolls.
And there you have it, your homemade cinnamon rolls made from scratch. Think you couldn't do it, huh? Let's give it a taste. Oh wow, that is so good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.